Hello students, today we will discuss one more gate problem on the grammar. Here the grammar is given that L of g equals to a raised to power n, b raised to power m, c raised to power m and d raised to power n. So this is the language which is acceptable by the grammar. So these all type of the strings are acceptable and the condition given here that n always greater than or equals to 1. It means n value is equals to 1 or n value can also be greater than 1. And what about the m? M can be equals to and greater than 0. It means m value can be equals to 0 or it will be greater than 0 also. So what will be my production rule for this if I am considering this w string as a cube, b square, c square, d cube. Here I am considering n value as 3 because according to this condition n value should always be greater than or equal to 1. So if I am considering n equals to 3, it will satisfy my condition. And if I am considering m equals to 2, so here you can see m value greater than or equals to 0. So it will also satisfy my condition and this is my string which is acceptable by the grammar. You can also take the string which is not acceptable by the grammar. For just proving I am using here that this string is acceptable by the grammar. So this is my production rule which I am using here. You can see that in case of the m, there is a condition on the b and c that b or c will be kappa also. So here I am considering in the static I want a and in the last I want d. So here I am considering one production a as d. So I replace this s again and again with the production so that I can achieve these type of the strings. And I take one more possible combination a s1d where s1 will be bc. So if I am considering s1 only, so s1 will be kappa also because the m value should be greater than or equal to 0. So it will be kappa or it will be b s1c. So I replace this multiple times and I get this type of the productions where equal number of the b's are followed by the equal number of the c's. So this type of the productions are also acceptable. For that purpose I am using here s1 so that I can achieve this type of the strings a, b, c and d where these two are equals and where these two are equal in number. So what will be my grammar for this? It will be vn, vt, p and s. What will be my variables? It will be s and s1 only. Vt terminals will be a, b and c and d. So these are my the terminals. And production rules are given here. S produces these two and S1 produces these two productions. And this is my parse tree. This is my parse tree where I am considering in the first production S produces a as d. So after that I am replacing this s with again a s1d. A s1d. After that I replace this production multiple times so that I can generate this a cube, b square and c square and d cube. So at the last I can say that this type of the language is acceptable by the grammar. Thank you students. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and if you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.